Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set the first day of the week for your projects, teams and tasks in the Toggl Track time tracking application. So let us begin. So head over to Toggl Track, log into your account, and for this method guys you will need to access your profile settings in the bottom left. Click into profile settings here. Next, what you want to do is scroll down, and here below the time and date section, or inside it, you will see the current date format for your account, the time format, and also the first day of the week for your account. So as you can see, I set Monday as the first day, but I don't know if you're if you like, you can set it to Sunday or Tuesday or any other days of the week, like Sunday for example. And you don't need to save anything manually. It will be saved automatically and updated, as you can see, for your entire account and profile here on Toggl Track. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.